Supermassive black holes discovered in our universe. A study on dozens of galaxies within several billion light-years of our own has revealed black holes that far exceed our expectations on just how big these monsters can grow. Galaxies are the building blocks of our universe, and to understand their formation and evolution, we must first understand these black holes, says physicist Julie Klavacek-Larando from the Université de Montréal in Canada. The black holes make this job easy, so to get around the tricky problem of studying something that likes to keep its secrets tucked away inside an impenetrable void, astrophysicists look for shortcuts. One is to find a relationship between a black hole's mass and the galaxy surrounding it. If there was a straightforward way to match a galaxy's size with the part at its core, it would save a lot of hassle. So Klavacek-Larando teamed up with other researchers from Canada, Spain, and the UK to study 72 galaxies within a radius of 3.5 billion light-years to see if they could nail down some kind of formula in estimating the mass of the black hole at their center. To estimate the size of the black holes themselves, they analyzed the spectrum of X-rays being spat out by the whirling disk of heated gas being sucked into their crazy gravity wells. The masses of a number of the black holes far outstripped expectations, growing quicker than other stars in their neighborhood. In fact, around 40% of them weighed the equivalent of 10 billion times the mass our Sun or more. They don't become much bigger. The current record holder comes in at around 17 billion suns, though other studies hint at a 40 billion solar mass behemoth 12.1 billion light-years away. Looking at over 30,000 galaxies up to 12.2 billion light-years away, researchers discovered that the ratio between the growth of a part and the growth rate of stars went up as the size of their surrounding galaxy increased. The relationship between star formation and black holes is clearly a complicated one. But one thing is becoming certain: our universe wouldn't be the same without these monsters. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.